Welcome to our Piping Engineering YouTube channel. We continue our free piping education videos in this channel. Before starting this video, please subscribe to our education YouTube channel to watch more piping engineering videos. You can also benefit from some private benefits by membership to our channel. Let's starting our piping tutorial video. In this video, we will learn what is piping slope and why is it required, how to calculate pipe slope. The standard slope of a pipe is 1/4 inch to 3 inches. Pipes must slope downhill to drain correctly. Proper slope calculation is essential for draining. If not sloped enough, the pipe won't drain. If sloped too much, it won't drain solids. As you can see, this is piping isometric drawing with some slopes and different elevations. In the piping isometric drawings, the slopes are showing with this symbol. In this drawing, slope of the incline is expressed as a ratio of 1 to 100, meaning that for every 1 unit of vertical elevation there are 100 units for horizontal distance. 1% slope denotes 1 unit rise or fall for every 100 units horizontal length or distance. In this case, drain should be down by 1 foot for every 100 length. Let's calculate with slope ration in this example. In this pipe isometric drawing, the slope of the slope at a horizontal distance of 1,500 is expressed as a ratio of 1 to 100. 1 to 100 ratio equals x 1500 ratio. Continue. X equals 1500 to 100 ratio. Continue the calculation and found x equals 15 millimeters. This means that the 1,500 millimeter long pipeline falls 15 millimeters down at the other end with a slope of 1 to 100 ratio. It is also possible to calculate the slopes in the pipelines with the elevations showing at the turns in the pipeline. In this piping isometric drawing, the initial height of the pipeline elevation is 19,500 millimeters, and the height of the pipeline at the second turn with a slope of 1:100 elevation is 19,485 millimeters. Where the initial height 19,500 millimeters minus the second height 19,485 millimeters equals will be 15 millimeters. With this method we can calculate the difference of the levels in the second and third rotations. Second elevation 19,485 millimeters minus third elevation will be 19,477 millimeters equals 8 millimeters. Let's calculate slope ration now. In this pipe isometric drawing, the slope of the slope at a horizontal distance of 800 is expressed as a ratio of 1 to 100. 1 to 100 ratio equals x 800 ratio. Here x equals 800 to 100 ratio. Continue the calculation and found x equals 8 millimeters. With this method we can calculate the difference of the levels in the fourth and fifth rotations. Fourth elevation 19,077 millimeters minus fifth elevation 19,055 equals will be 22 millimeters. Let's calculate with slope ration now. In this pipe isometric drawing, the slope of the slope at a horizontal distance of 2,200 is expressed as a ratio of 1 to 100. 1 to 100 ratio equals x 2200 ratio. Here x equals 2200 to 100 ratio. Continue the calculation and found x equals 22 millimeters. When you want to calculate a slope, you can use both method on the piping drawing. This education video is finishing here. Your comments about video you can write in the comments section. By becoming a member of our channel, you can support our channel and benefit from some features. I would like to express my deep gratitude to our viewers who already have member to our channel. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. I would like to express my thanks in advance to our viewers who write comments and likes. Thank you for watching. See you on next video. Take care.